Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Guys, in today's video, I will be showing you a new way which you can be able to easily see any deleted WhatsApp message on your WhatsApp. Guys, for instance, if someone sends you a message on your WhatsApp and then they immediately delete that WhatsApp message, I will be showing you today how you can be able to see that WhatsApp message that was deleted when someone sent a WhatsApp message to your WhatsApp. So please, I only request you that you watch this video till end. Make sure you do not skip this video for a better understanding, as I will be showing you step by step and all the settings that are required to be able to see any deleted WhatsApp message on your WhatsApp. So guys, the first thing we're going to be doing here, we have to open our Play Store. So guys, here we open our Play Store like this. So guys, we wait for our Play Store to open. So once your Play Store open today, I have a new application that will be showing you that you can be able to use to see any deleted WhatsApp message. And guys, the name of this application I will be showing today is Naughty Save. Naughty Save. So guys, you search for this application. Sorry, my network is kind of slow. So guys, wait for it to load. So guys, as you can see, this is the application. It is a new application that you can be able to use to see any deleted WhatsApp message. And because this application is working perfectly, more than 10 million people have already downloaded this application, and more than 70,000 people have already made good ratings on this application. So guys, this is the application, and guys, I will be showing you how you can set up this application. You just have to install. After you install this application, then you have to open it. Then I will show you how you can be able to set up this application. And guys, as you can see, it's already opening. But guys, please, before I show you how to use this application, please, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please, we request you that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video on this channel, you will be the first person to be notified. Alright guys, as you can see here, we just have to click on next, and you click on next like this, and then please, you have to make sure that you allow all the permission required on this application. So it will be coming up like this, and here we have to click on next, and then we have to look for this application, which is this Naughty Save. This is the application. So you click on it like this, and then you have to allow this permission by clicking on allow. So guys, here we go back, and we go back like this. So guys, as you can see here, you have to also click on allow, and this is already loading the application. So guys, with this application, not only WhatsApp, you can be able to see deleted messages on Facebook and other social media. But because we are using WhatsApp today, here I will use this particular WhatsApp application. This is the WhatsApp I will be using today. I will be using one of my WhatsApp. So guys, I enable it like this. Notification from selected apps will be blocked on status bar. So I just want to block the notification from status bar. So guys, here sorry, we'll go back like this, and then you have to click on this. Good, perfect. So guys, as you can see, we do not have any unread message here. We do not have any message here. This is the application. So guys, how do we see deleted WhatsApp messages? Here we have to go back. Then I have to go to my WhatsApp. I would be sending a message to my second WhatsApp. I have two WhatsApp. I have the main WhatsApp and the business WhatsApp. So guys, here I will send a message to my other WhatsApp. Hello, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So guys, I send this message like this. So I will wait for this message to be sent first. So guys, as you can see, I'll wait for this message to be sent, and then I will immediately delete this message. So guys, as you can see, the message has been sent. The message has been sent, and then I will quickly delete this message now. So I'll click on hold, then I will delete this message for everyone. So guys, as you can see, we have already deleted this message. So this is my second WhatsApp. So let's see if this message has been deleted. So guys, we click on it like this. We click on it. Sorry, my network is slow, so let's scroll down. So guys, as you can see, the message has been deleted. So guys, let's go back to the application to see if we can be able to see that deleted WhatsApp message. So guys, here we click on it. So guys, as you can see, this is the message we just sent right away. This is the message we just send right away. So we can be able to open it. So guys, as you can see, hello, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So guys, this is how you can be able to see. This is the easiest way you can be able to see any deleted WhatsApp message on your WhatsApp. Please, if you found this video to be helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video on this channel, you will be the first person to be notified. Thanks for watching guys. See you on our next video. Bye bye.